A cough is your body's reaction when something irritates your throat or airways caused by cold, flu, and/or respiratory allergies. Pushing air out of your lungs to force out the irritant is the coughing. To relieve from irritant either viral or allergic, garlic, ginger, cinnamon, and clove tea could be effective, which could lessen this symptom. These ingredients contains anti-inflammatory substances that help treat cough. Here are the benefits of these ingredients. People commonly use garlic for high blood pressure, high levels of cholesterol or other fats in the blood. Garlic is also antimicrobial, antifungal, antiviral, antioxidant, and antithrombotic. It acts as support in the treatment of chronic bronchitis, asthma, and symptoms of common cold and flu. Cinnamon is classified as antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal. Because of its properties, cinnamon can control symptoms of cold, flu, fever, and cough. And since it is anti-allergic, it can be used for rhinitis, especially when caused by the cold and humidity, and for stomach aches, gas, and nausea. It may help manage blood pressure. Clove is antispasmodic, antioxidant, and antimicrobial. The antioxidants found in cloves can help reduce your risk of developing heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Ginger is filled with antioxidants, compounds that prevent stress and damage to your body's DNA. They may help your body fight against chronic diseases like heart disease, high blood pressure, promote healthy aging, and prevents diseases of the lungs. Ginger also helps stimulate breast milk production. Now come to the recipe of garlic, ginger, cinnamon, and clove tea. Add 80 grams of ginger slice, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 clove of garlic, and 2 whole clove to 2 liters of water. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat, then simmer for 30 minutes. Remove from heat and leave it for 10 minutes. Strain and drink 2 to 3 cups throughout the day. You may add 1/4 cup of honey and stir until dissolved. You can add a slice of lemon to your cup for some added acidity. Besides soothing your cough, this tea could also strengthen the immune system, improves blood circulation, and controls cholesterol levels. Have a good health.